All right, I'm redoing the head armature for this figure of the mountain man. And this is going to be a hard figure to work on. So I'm going to attempt to start it today. I'm not in my best shape today. I'm having a bad congestion day. Lung congestion. Anyway, tomorrow I will not be here. I have a doctor's appointment. So I just want to let you guys know. All right. Be right back. The first thing I had to do was get this jigged up so that I could get the clay up high enough for me to see the clay at eye level. The clay was almost 4 inches lower, which would have made it almost impossible to work on this figure. Because he's not standing up, he's down on the ground trying to hide. And then I had to try to get the head redone and repositioned. And then I had to make it solid enough so I could work on it. I finally got all that achieved. Now I'm just barely starting on the figure. A lot of stuff has to go on first before you can actually start something. You have to get it set up to work on it. Anyway, I'm going to try to overcome how lousy I feel right now and just get to work on this clay. Grit my teeth and go for it. The thought occurred to me just now that I better make sure that my figure matches the rock, especially with the new head on it. And so I just made my adjustments, and it does work, so I'll keep working on it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm just making minor adjustments. Yeah, that looks good. All right. I'm trying to give you the best camera angle, but it's hard to keep my hands out of the way. Yeah, I'm going to have to make an extension on that arm. For the hand and all that stuff. I cut it too short. I got to anchor this figure onto the ground. So I'm going to put some clay on the board that it's mounted on. right, I need to lengthen this arm. I'm using electrician's tape to attach that extension onto the existing armature. You can't see what I'm doing because my hand's in the way, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to make the bone structure of the arm first, just so I know exactly. See, let me see. Yeah. Where the muscles are going to go. What he's doing is he's pushing his hand sideways to the rock, like that. And so I've just got to figure out how the two bones of the forearm, will be shaped, or their angle. Now this hand's going to be holding a hat in its hand up against the rock. All this does is just give me the position of the muscles in this arm, that's all. Now, I'm sorry, I keep moving my sculpting stand. Now the shirt he'll be wearing will cover all the muscles, but I want to still get the structure under the clothing correct. Now his back part of his body won't be seen because he'll be right up against the rock, but I still got to have the anatomy. Okay, now I got to figure out where his belt's going to be. It's going to be right there. So let's get that figured out first. The belt will determine the wrinkles in his coat or his shirt. That's why I'm putting it on now. Okay, now I've got to think about the stresses. He's twisting this way. So the wrinkles will be going this way. Okay. It'd be a lot easier if I had a model, but I don't have one, so I'll make do with my imagination. I might be getting carried away with the wrinkles. Well, I'm glad I stuck with it today and didn't let my discomfort stop me. All right, let's just see what it looks like. That just shows you where the hat will go. I'll pick this up Monday. Hopefully I'm not going to screw this up completely. You can see here the jury rigged box that I built so I could raise this up high enough for me to work on it. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.